welcome to another video. Today is mail time again. So let's start. And I only have 22 gifts, but it's all I got when I got back on, but that's okay. Okay, let's start from over here. Fancy fireplace, thank you. There we go. Okay. Thank you for the star glasses. Pretty game, thanks. You guys wonder why I show the tags, because I don't feel like saying the names. I can just show the tags instead of saying the names. So yeah, I don't have to be like, oh, Meadow 666, Meeble123. Yeah, freedom ass, thank you. I'm not just gonna continue saying the names over and over and over again. It's just better. And I kind of did recycle some things, and oh dang it, now I only recycled a couple, but thank you. Send me back these. Striped scarf, thank you. Who is in modern? Well, we'll see. I wasn't even typing. Okay, this is probably a troll. Okay, I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, Jammers, I'm back. Okay, sorry about that. This girl that girl kept just trading me. Don't know why. Monkey pushy, thank you. Just a second. Okay. I had him curl away. Thank you. Oh, dang it. I don't need that glasses. Is her glasses in the store? Oh no. Did she just... She's following me. Okay, I don't think she can see me right there. Okay, okay. Sorry about that, guys. Send back. Hat and beard. Oh, dang it. I keep forgetting that my inventory is full. But, oh well. I think I'm going to recycle this. I don't know if those are in stores. I was going to check. Does she know? She probably had followed me. No, she went to someone's den. Okay, good. Okay. Rare-worn blanket, thank you. That's a pretty cool look. Recycle this. Ooh, a raccoon tail, thank you. Pink and purple. Pink and purple, pink and purple, pink and purple. Thank you for that. Also not get that. Gazelle horns, thank you. I think I have those. Just recycle these. I think I might recycle some butterfly wings after this. Oh, farmer. Sure, I'm gonna recycle the butterfly wings. Alright. There they are. I was looking for it. Ooh, it's underwater. I don't have to recycle. Hey, look how small the spirit gloves look on the boxes. Sword, thank you. It's not a pirate sword, it's a regular sword. Anything to recycle? I don't want this. Ooh, a sparkly head bow. Are those in stores? Because I never bothered to buy them, but yeah, I guess I have it. No, I meant to press this. I like these halos a lot. And I like heart lockets, but I have a lot. I don't know. I don't need gazelles. Okay. Let's scorpion tail armor. Thank you. Never bothered to buy those either. Fedora. I don't need a fedora. I never use fedoras. I always get fedoras. Epic dragon mask. Thank you. This person's nice. Wait, is this beta? Wait, isn't it? Oh, never. Okay, let me ask Meeble123. Okay. Do I close my eyes? Is that girl here? Hopefully she's not. Okay. If you want. Okay, I'll close my eyes. I'll just turn around. Okay. Alright. Turn around in 3, 2, 1. Whoa, thank you! Thank you! I don't have that color. I don't even think I have any horns, except the rare one. The icy rare one. Thank you so much. Send you a gift. What? No. No, what? Oh my god, what is wrong with the sandwich? Something's wrong with my keyboard. There we go. Let's get rid of something. You can have. Ooh, I don't know. There's like nothing to send you. You can have. It was like, oh my god, this is hard. You can have a cheese hat. Oh, actually, you can have this. But I think I'll use my spirit glove. Wait, let me check out that little thing. Oh, it is store. It is a store. It looked cool in Arctic Wolves. I saw it on that. Someone sent me rare cozy shoes. Thank you. Whoever sent me that. Rare cozy shoes. Yeah. I got a long bow. A long bow's good. Because I have no idea. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah. Goodbye.